Right, Birchwood Pool. That's the path I took. Well, I got lost chasing a pheasant up at Moss Side. Yeah, I'll go this way. It's like a little brook. Follow the way. Somewhere. You've been before, but a slightly different path. Let's get to see something new. Oh, this must be Lapwing Lane. Up on my side. I think there's a couple of farms there. Hey, you can see the Fiddler's Ferry. What's left of it. Let's get a viewpoint. Right opposite the 4 towers in the chimney. Damn. It's not a bad vantage point. Vantage point? What's a vantage point? I don't bow. Okay. Yeah, that's not the River Mersey, that's just a floody field. Just in case. Right. Oh. That hawk buzzard has disappeared. Never mind. We shall press on. No, we shall go on. As Beryl Breed once said on Doctor Who. Oh, Earthshock, that's right. The captain. Cool. Yes. I'm watching. I've been watching Tom Baker's first series. Up to Revenge of the Cybermen. Then we got Terror of the Zygons. You know, because the sea may become bubble, but it's never empty. Even though I'm about a mile away from the river. What's that? That's a flock of geese. So last time I came here, it's on the opposite side by Manchester Ship Canal, and I went up to the Latchford Canal, followed that for a bit, walked, yeah, pretty much the same way, well, ish, a few different ways. So this is a different way now. I think this is Lapwing Lane. So, I reckon that's Fiddler's Ferry, that's Penketh. So I'm kind of opposite where I started from. The Sankey Bridges. We've come the long way round. Nice. Right, okay. Let's finish this little trek, shall we? Not to the stars, unfortunately, but I'll get there eventually. I'll die trying. Nice little side path here. Wonder what's down the bottom of this one. Yeah, it's like a proper wilderness trek. Oh dear. River again. Yes. Definitely a summer walk. Thanks, Justy Stick. Stay there and help the next person. Okay. And I found the way house. Okay. I missed Bob's Bridge. I'm at the Manchester Ship Canal now. Wow. Awesome. Wow. I have survived. More nature reserve. Again. Wow. Golly, what a day. Okay, thanks for joining me, mate. I'm going to have a sit down for a bit and then I'm off to Wig Island. See you later, alligator. Ta-ta for now. Something's obsessing that seagull. Yes. It's a buzzard again. Buzzard being harassed by a seagull. Come on, attack it, kill it, eat it. Seagulls. That might have been the buzzard I saw before. And that little bully has just chased it away. Seagulls. Oh, what seagull on toast would taste like? Roasted seagull. Yeah. Pest birds they are. Because there's a heron on the canal. Oh, we had better vantage points. Yeah, he's flying. I wonder, is that one of the ones I saw from, I think I saw two by Moore Nature Reserve. I don't know, are they territorial birds, do you think? I'll have to look that up. Right, try and find a better vantage point. Yeah, it's a common, and the heron. There's the heron. Right, that's on the curve. Going up to the thingy. I've just seen something dive beneath the surface of the river. Could it have been a grebe? Possibly. That's like so far away. Now if I could, yeah, that's the marshland now. Very boggy. Yeah. Right.